Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply scale your video file project in CapCut video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, like for instance, if you drag a video file into the timeline and you find out that the video file occupies all of space in the screen, or better still, you may decide to have a video overlay, as the case may be, and you want to decide that some of the video in the overlay are not taking the full screen of that particular video. Now, how do you scale in or scale out on your video in the timeline? Like for instance, this particular video right here is not so wide in the timeline right here. So what I'm going to do is to come to the top right here. For me to scale it, so you have to drag until you are satisfied with the area you want the video to cover. It's that simple. Then if you want it to be 100%, go ahead and type in 100% right here and hit enter. Then you have it fully canvas of the dimension of your CapCut video editing. Now, if you want to overlay another video sections right here, you can as well go back to the video right there and drag in the same video into the timeline right here. Now, we want this new video right here to be overlay, and we want to scale it, and then it's not going to take whole space in the video. So for that, go ahead and come back to scale right here. Just scale down a little bit. Now you have a two video in a separate timeline, and then one is overlay and the other one here is at the bottom. So you can decide to scale in, scale out of any video type in the timeline of your CapCut video editing software. It's that simple. So this is how to scale your video project in CapCut video editing software on PC. For more tutorial about how best to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.